I'm out of stationery. What am I gonna do?
You can go to Laughing Owl Presco for that.
Yeah, my name's Joe, and my role here at the Laughing Owl Press is the president. Manufacturing, it allows great products to be built in such a way that many people can afford them. Business cards, this is a really interesting business card. It has black ink, but then it also has what we call this blind impression. So this is made out of coaster material, but it used a special die. So this is cut out so you can punch out all these sections and you assemble a Christmas ornament out of it. We've worked with a lot of bigger companies like Krispy Kreme, Cray Supercomputer, Hilton Hotels, Dropbox, Open Table. It's strange where, you know, we're an internet-based business and all these people from around the world find us here in Kane.
I think it's cool just because of the craft, and you can always learn something new. I'm obsessed with learning anything like this, and it's really awesome. Every single day it's different. The fact that our product is sent all over the world, I think that's really cool.
How many customers have you had since you opened your business?
We keep track of our jobs in project folders, and currently we are up to folder number 2,623. I do all of the design work, and everybody has a lot of input. Everybody's creative, so I'm not the only one making the decisions. I'm kind of responsible for that, and also making sure that we get all of our materials and printing plates here in time.
What is the most exciting part about your job?
Things like this, I love showing people what we do. I love explaining. So I really like the fact that we're able to put the care and quality into every piece that we make and show that to people. We love sharing it with people.